Governor Raghuram Rajan's role has been enacted by Manoj Vajpayee, and he has really done a good job. It's about the time when Manmohan Singh was the finance minister and Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the PM. So it talks about the how did they actually tackle this problem of bankruptcy, because India was said to be at the verge of bankruptcy. Now they had to chalk out a plan. So what they did, the gold belongings which were there in the banks, they actually imported it to foreign countries in US and all, Washington and other lucrative countries, and China as well, and few other countries. And by this they wanted to reduce the you can say pathetic state of India, which otherwise would have got totally bankrupt. So people were worried, and this plan was strategically thought by RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan, and he was very down-to-earth person. But there's a scene, starting scene only, which you will take you, which will make your heart weep. There's a man, ordinary citizen, coming to the bank, weeping in front of the collector, in front of the person responsible, you can say the cashier or the main major person of the bank. He is literally weeping, and he kneels down, and he even touches his feet. He is in dire strait of a loan, since his wife is ailing in the hospital and he couldn't get through. They didn't agree to his terms and conditions, and what he did, he just poured kerosene and he burnt himself alive. So my friends, this is something which should not happen. Just for loan you bury yourself. It's pathetic. And governor was passing through, and he wanted to actually save the person, but his action should have been more prompt. He saw, he felt, but he couldn't come out. Even people were preventing, when the driver said just keep seated, because there was a ride going on. But he could have been more, otherwise he could have sent the driver immediately, something could have, but he just burned, and it was, and this left an indelible mark on his psyche. But he was not affected that much as he should have been. But otherwise he was a very down to earth. Even when he had to come to Washington for a meeting, he said his subordinate to book his tickets in economy class and to just book a very cheap hotel. And Madhu has enacted the role of his wife, and she has actually maintained herself. Although face, she looks slim in the movie, and they have a daughter, and he was a good person basically, and he even used to use the public toilets in spite of having a toilet in his cabin. And there was a security guard who used to keep begging for money from everyone, because his daughter wanted to appear for IAS exam, and she got through. And he got the strategic plan by just seeing, by just observing the security guard. He also started using it in his actually curriculum. And his actually daughter got through IAS exam, and he was very much elated. He embraced, and everyone else embraced. So bottom line, when the government is run by a noble person, we can do wonders. There's also a reporter who was taken, she was totally moved by his actions, and she wrote a book, Ada. She was totally impressed by this man. So must watch 5 stars.